appeared to many people. We are not going to read. We are not going to read. If you read in Matthew chapter 16 verse 14, you're going to see how Jesus, he appeared to the disciples. When he appeared to the disciples, when they was in the house, he appeared to them. He said, do not afraid. He only appeared like a ghost. You know Jesus, even if the door is closed, he can come inside the house. So he appeared in the house suddenly. When they saw him, they were afraid. He said to them, do not afraid. Check my hands. When they was crucifying me, check this side. Whereby they hated me. When they check him, they see the sign. They see the sign of Jesus. They know it is not a ghost. It is not a ghost. He is Jesus of Nazareth. He is Jesus of Nazareth. Hallelujah. Then he told the disciple called Thomas, why are you not? You don't have a faith. How can you say that you will believe only when you see me? Remember Thomas. He only said, me, I will believe if I can only see. Then where they was beating him, and then he showed Thomas the sign that I am the one. I'm no longer in the tomb. I am no longer in the tomb. I am no longer in the tomb. Also, there are people who are like Thomas.